to see we can make a map like this, mind map of the lesson. First one is introduction to cartography, or the person who is making map, and explanation is given like this. A cartographer prepares the maps of an area, and it is in 1154 CE, that an Arab geographer, how he made the map of Indian subcontinent. Then 1720, the French cartographer, he made the map of India. Then how it was different in textbook, we have seen that one. One needs to be sensitive to different historical background while reading the documents and maps and text of the past. If when we are getting the text means some materials from historical time, then how we want to read it according to the first we want to understand the historical background of that particular time, then we want to read and understand the concept what they written and kept. Then second, it is new and old terminologies, how the terminology they was using like that, in the context in which the information is produced, and its language and the meaning with change with the time. We already seen the word like that, foreigner in the, as example. Then there are historical records in the different languages. In the same time, the some of the records, inscriptions we can see, they are written in 2 or 3 languages. Then some examples are the term Hindustan, like that examples we have seen in the textbook itself. That is the second one. And third one, it is the historians and the sources. What are the sources of for the historians to study? We already said the sources like the manuscript and inscription like that. The sources like coins, inscriptions, architecture and the textual records are the common source for the historians. In that, what is the difference between both, like that things we already studied. Variety of textual records are available. This includes holy text, chronicles of the rulers, means the like a diary writing daily basis what they are writing the details what happened in a palace, like that things. Then the letters of the king, letters and teachings of the saints, the religious leaders, like that things we are having. Then these were called manuscripts. What was called manuscript? People they written in their own hand, and which is kept in the libraries of the king's palace or the judicial office or the temple. They have what their handwritten copies kept, that is known as manuscript. And we can see it is difficult to keep the manuscript because the attack of insects and other things. Then the scribes, they made some of the changes, because the person who, when he is repeating knowingly or unknowingly, they made a little bit changes. Then historians therefore have to read the different versions of the textbook, because the writers, the later writers, they made little bit changes. Then the author and some authors like Theodin Barani revised the text themselves. Some of the writers, they got the inspiration and they revised in a different way, or they made different edition, like that things we can see. Then in the next part it is we can see new social and political groups it is forming, that jadis and other things. Then it is religion and empire. What is the relation between empires and religion, temples and other things. Then old and new religions it is starting in India itself. New religions starting like a Sikh religion and other things, other religions, and Muslim, like that religions it is coming from outside. Then thinking about the time and historical period. Historians, they are made the time into different periods, like the early history, medieval history and modern history, and characteristics of each level it is entirely different, and which time it is coming more or less same characters they are making the timing. It may be 500 years or 1000 years, not that the timing like that it should be everything should be 500, no. characteristics should be more or less same, like that time they are considering and they made the history. This is all about the lesson what we studied, that this you can use as mind map. Surely I will send a picture of these 2 pages, then from that you will get better idea. Okay, have a nice day.